HSG 100% Kanekalon Long Blond Wigs with Bangs European. Maybe the best long wig I have found in this price range. Hair is thicker than I expected it to be. Diy-Wig new fluffy style hair wigs white highlights in. Best wig ever. The color and style is even better than the photo shows. It's not that red, it's much more realistic. I just received it yesterday and put it on right away. Couldn't believe how fantastic it looks. So good I ordered another one. I recommend it to anyone looking for a great wig, and the price is very, very inexpensive. RainbowWigs charming short Kanekalon white with brown straight hair. Love the wig. It looks really good on and is comfortable. Plus my husband thinks I look great in it. RainbowWigs Western Women Golden with brown short straight hair. Received as described. Love the color and style. Fits very well. The hair seems to be rather coarse and dry compared to other wigs I own, but I can deal with it. Good seller. Rbangzia 3280 cm cosplay hair wig long straight hair. This wig is amazing. The color is very rich and makes a perfect wig for Urza Scarlet. HSG sexy mix colored blonde brown fluffy long straight full. Great wig. I used this wig on a beautiful mannequin to sell jewelries. Surprised. Everybody wanted to but the wig instead. Chantic Affordable 150% density human hair wig for black. So far so good, great texture, fresh out the pack smell and very courteous seller and concerning. I love it. Kalis women's short heat resistant synthetic fiber cosplay costume. Great hair. I had my sewed on. I purchased 3 and looking to wear them all the time. Sunwell 6A grade Brazilian virgin wet wavy glueless full. I liked the hair, it was just shorter than I thought, way shorter. I plucked the hair and is ready to enjoy it, hugs and kisses, good quality, fast delivery, I can't complain. Kalis women's long hair dark brown wig. Hair looks real very soft and shiny. The inner cap is adjustable. I feel like this wig is fuller in person than the picture shows. I am petite, so it was definitely a lot of hair on me. Kalis women's short straight black color premium synthetic hair. I love it. It looks great and feels great. In fact, a lot of my associates didn't know it was a wig.